Mhm. 1 2 testing. Testing 1 2. Fucking 1 2 testing testing the 1 2. Hi Jimmy, how are you? Can you hear me, man? 1 2 testing. Yeah, I think you can. All right, so the DXY hitting that target liquidity at the highs. That previous high right there. Boom. There. Let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Now, I have this and that and then this and up. Good morning. Bro, there's no way you just soup everything low. Yes, but there is a high whistling sound. Oh yeah, those are cicadas, man. It's cicada season here. Now that there's nothing I can do. Bro, there's no way you just soup everything, lol. You don't have any lower time frame confirmation. I don't use the lower time frames, mate. I trade on the 15-minute chart. The thing is that, uh, yeah, I don't trade ICT, dude. Um, like him, right? I do my own thing with his concepts. But I don't need lower time frame confirmation because I know what I'm trading. I'm trading the US dollar. I'm trading this strip on the USD. Yes, it's aggressive in the sense that we don't have confirmation of a bearish move here, but I don't need lower time frame confirmation on the Euro USD because I'm trading the US dollar. I'm not trading the Euro US dollar. Yeah, I do have an entry model. This is my entry model. This liquidity strips are my point of interest, and I use marketing efficiencies to enter my trades based on how the US dollar is moving. Of course, I have an entry model, mate. I have a back tested and forward tested entry model. I'm a trader. And if you know, I trade the same entry model every day. Now, coming back towards what I'm doing. So, the reason also that I don't need lower time frame confirmation, guys, is because I have a shit ton of data confirming that what I do is profitable in the long term. Yes, I'm going to lose some trades, but everybody will, right? And yeah, I understand what you're saying, but um, yeah, I have worked my ass off, to trade this profitable entry model now for a while. Yeah, last week wasn't the best for me, but that's okay. That is fine. I had COVID too, so fuck it. Right, so this is very nice. There's a ton of things going on here, but what I dig about is I'm not gonna go into that. I mean, if you're a VIP, you got my video. Right, so I have the Euro US dollar. Shorts on the USD. This is quite good, right? The price just swept the highs. The highs that I was waiting. Now this has been swept with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it as a sweep, right? As a fucking sweep. Now, yes, it's aggressive in the sense that I don't have confirmation that this is a sweep or a breakout, but okay, I'm okay with that, with an aggressive entry, right? Because on Friday, because I was waiting for that confirmation, I didn't get filled on my longs here on the Euro USD. and I missed the move. So yeah, I don't need that. I'm okay. All right, so we have swept with those highs. That's a very cool thing. And looking just for price failure here. Sorry for the miscommunication. Boy, don't worry. Dude, KG Trades. I love people asking me shit about my entry model. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, man. This is why I do my live shows, right? Just, what? My dog is like crying. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, go ahead, ask away. That's why I do this. And, yeah, there's no hard feeling, man, at all. I'm glad you enjoy what I do. All right, so I'm having issues with my fucking connection, I guess. The pound USD, very bearish, man. I mean, super bearish. I'm not even looking at this today. Um, and this is something I don't trade that much. US dollar versus the Japanese yen should be here. Now, on the Japanese yen side, nothing. Absolutely, utterly nothing, guys. I have a zabi. Bamboo. Hold on. We're going to start with some sound therapy. Hold on. Just to cleanse the fucking atmosphere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sound therapy on. So on the Japanese yen side, guys, I have absolutely nothing. US 30 looking interesting. I don't trade the US 30, mate. I'm sorry, Jimmy. GBP yen long. So that my friend is something, Charles. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you what I think about that, and I'm about to get triggered long on the Euro USD. Let's see if that can hold. So on the, I mean, if you are trying to take a pound yen long, right? That means that first of all, what are you trading here? Are you trading the Japanese yen, or are you trading the Japanese yen, or are you trading the pound, right? When I trade the pound yen, I trade the Japanese yen, right? So if I were to take a long here on the pound yen, that means that I would be taking a short on the Japanese yen. And if you watch my video earlier today, mate, I was waiting for this sweep of the lows again for possible longs. I just didn't get any confirmation, not confirmation, any setups long on the Japanese yen, on the two markets that I trade the Japanese yen, oh fuck, which is the pound yen and the euro yen. I don't have any setups on those, right? Possibly I missed it, but I just didn't like um, how this didn't look like an actual break of the structure. You know, I just didn't have any setups to short. I'm sorry, to go long on the Japanese yen, so I didn't. But yeah, I hate that idea. This is where my euro US dollar is at the moment. Let's wait and see what happens. Wow, if I don't get triggered here, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Now, let's have a look at gold because the market just opened. I don't know why my internet is fucking. It's so down. I don't know, man. Have a look at this. You know what? I'm gonna look at this. At futures. All right. So gold futures here. Nothing. E-mini S&P 500. I was looking at possible Nasdaq shorts, guys. If you again watch my videos, you know how or what I was looking. But this price action is just horrible, man. This is the E-mini Nasdaq, right? This is the Nasdaq E-mini futures contract. This is the E-mini S&P 500. Now, this look like a flag. I mean, it must be a flag, right? But I mean, I don't trade breakouts like that. Um, let's have a look at the F1 strategy. If we have a, we might get some action on the F1 strategy on futures. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That doesn't look half bad, motherfuckers. It doesn't look half bad. But let's have a look at the US 500. Uh-huh. Pepperstone. All right. That doesn't look half bad. You know what? You know what? You know what? Doesn't look half bad. This is pretty nice considering we have true divergence. Let's have a look at the US 100. Yeah, the US 100 is looking phenomenal actually. Now, let's have a look at this. I'm gonna send this to my VIP, to my F1 strategy group, divergence. And let's see if we have true divergence here. Yeah, we fucking do have true divergence. So, oh boy. We do have true divergence printed. Here's where it printed. Uh-huh. I'm gonna send this to my F1 strategy team because this looks good. You know, I am going to place this actually short position here below the daily open. I'm gonna put my stop losses above. This is a quite nice 2.46 R to the targets. The F1 strategy, guys. The F1 strategy is a semi-automated trading strategy that gives you a defined set of rules on how to take trades. Right? It's an entry model too. I trade two entry models. Let's have a look at the other one if I got filled or not. Well, I am filled long on the Euro USD. Let's see if I don't fuck up. All right. I'm sorry about that. I still have a little bit of a sore throat because of the COVID. So the F1 strategy, guys, pretty cool thing. I mean, if you have any questions about the F1 strategy, go ahead and ask away. Right now, let's look here at the Euro USD. So the F1 strategy, it took me about 18 months to develop. I mean, I knew what I wanted to do, right? What I wanted to do was monetize on very strong trending markets. And I noticed that when a market closed very strongly, either to the upside or to the downside, the next day would normally move the same direction, right? But it was very hard to pinpoint the correct entry, so I developed this strategy, which is pretty fucking fire, if you ask me. Uh-huh. Super good. Right, I'm gonna place this. I'm gonna place this on the SPX 500. Where the fuck? So, yeah, I'm gonna place it here. And I'm gonna send it for free. 0.5. Actually, no, fuck that. Enough of the free stuff. On the S&P 500. So I'm not gonna place it just yet. Uh, maybe. Any questions? We are filled long on the euro US dollar. That's cool. Let's see what this market entails. Do we have any news today? Forex Factory. I didn't even look at the forex at the economic calendar. Forexfactory.com. Wow, there's nothing today. Absolutely nothing. April 22nd, nothing. VIP free? What is the VIP free, man? I don't understand that. So this might be a very cool F1 strategy. Short. Um, I dig it. I dig it. I dig the diverge. I dig everything. So I'm gonna place it. Um, I am going to place it. Sell stop. Sell stop. I said. Sell stop. All right. About the highs. And is this the S&P 500? No, hombre, this is the Nasdaq. I'm placing it on the Nasdaq. Let me see the S&P 500. US 500. I mean, the US 500 yields about a 2.2 R towards these lows. If I place it, so yeah, short position here. I have a decision to make. On the S&P 500 side, we have a 225. So I'm gonna go with the Nasdaq, guys. Nasdaq is the one that I'm playing this US 500, US 100. All right, US 100. So I have to be a little quicker than I am currently. So this line is at the 16,825 or so. I don't know. The cool thing about the F1 strategy is that if price breaks with the highs, I don't get triggered and I just delete my pending order because the setup gets invalidated. Normally we don't trade. Normally we do not trade the F1 strategy on Mondays, but this setup is quite good. And I'm looking at a what? 2.6. So I'm gonna look at a 2.5 R here. Boom. And placing this. Now. Oh boy. Oh, my nose was itching. So here's the actual parameters that I am trading. So hold on. Pending order. It's a sell stop. It's a sell stop. It's a sell stop. So the Euro USD is rocking at the moment, starting to move on my direction. Remember, if you want my VIP trades, you know what to do. Pretty nice reaction to my point of interest. Pretty nice reaction to this sweep of the highs. Let's see if I was right. Right, so F1 strategy. F1 strategy. I need a, so if this is trending to, 200, so 400. So I guess I'll do 4.7 lots. Let's see if my math is correct. No. Pending order. I'll do a 5 lot. Let's see if my math is correct. No. I'll do a 6 lot. I'll be right there with you guys. Please. All right, now we're good. I don't trade the Dow, mate, but let's have a look at it. Fuck the Dow. I don't trade it. Yeah, F1 strategy does that was not an F1 strategy setup. Um, the F1 strategy works or trades. It's a trend following strategy, and because of this very strong close on Friday, the F1 strategy looks for longs. But again, if you notice, no true divergence in this market, meaning that this is a trap, meaning that you are going to get fucked on the long side, meaning that the F1 strategy is always right. Hello, Orlando. How is your health? So many strings of losses of late. Yeah, I know. I've had a ton. I have one, two, three, four, five losses in a row. One, two, three, four, five losses in a row, which is something unheard of for me. But I'm fine now. Thank you for asking. F1 signal for VIP, please. Okay. 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 Just because I like you, Charlie, and you're always here with me. Just because of that, everybody gets it. All right, I'll send it for free. Uh-huh. All right. All right, so free F1 strategy, right? Hmm. Let's see. So my Euro USD is rocking. Free F1 strategy. Yeah, I've had five losses in a row. I mean, I had COVID. I'm gonna tell you something too. Yeah, my dad was diagnosed with stomach cancer, so I wasn't doing fine. Sorry about that, man. But you know, I had to be here. So yeah, he got surgery, stomach surgery last week, the week before, and he's fine now. But yeah, it was hasn't been a good couple of days for me, a couple of weeks. So that might be the reason. I don't know. US 100, right? But yeah, sell stop. All right, let me copy and paste the actual because it's very nice reaction to my point of interest here on the Euro USD. Quite a snipey trade entry, right? Snipey as fuck. All right, so here you go. F1 strategy, sell stop, stop loss. Here, um, TP here. So that's a what? 2.6 R. Risk is 0.50%. Right. I'm gonna send it to the free group too. Uh, 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. All right, let's see what happens with this this Nasdaq. Very, very nice reaction to my point of interest on the Euro USD, letting this one ride. Um, yeah, pretty nice, right? Now, the reason that I liked this entry, I'm gonna school you a little bit. Thank you, JG. Yeah, it sucked. Um, it sucks. Yeah, so the reason that I dig this entry, man, was this. We had a trap a trap point of interest, which was this one right here. All of this was a very, very strong trap point of interest with, of course, indication of the liquidity sweep, etc. But more importantly, the reason that I didn't, that I was very confident on my point of interest was because of this. I mean, I'm always looking at what the US dollar is doing because that is the currency that I trade, right? Now, we are not out of the woods just yet in the sense that this could, in fact, just come down here and continue higher. We are not out of the woods, right? But this is looking phenomenal swipe-wise, right? So the reason that I didn't take that entry was because of this. Here is where the US dollar was trading, right? And I mean, we trade sweeps, right? And this is giving us the bearish direction that we need. This was a trap, a trap. This was a trap. Always look for traps, man. Traps. All right, so we got that and this, and I mean, let's see. I want to record a short video. Actually, yeah. Actually, no, because my internet is lacking. So I'll do this. Uh-huh. All right. New daily highs. Oh shit. All right, so I'm not deleting my sell stops just yet. I'm not deleting my sell stops just yet. Even though this looks quite bullish, I'm just not deleting them yet. It doesn't matter really. When I say a break of the highs, what I mean is a true break of the highs. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, when I say a true break of the highs, I mean a true break of the highs. Here. So let's wait and see what happens, right? We are looking at the 5-minute chart here. And yeah, the Euro USD looks phenomenal. Very nice sweep of the highs here. Very, very nice sweep of the highs. Again, we need that market structure shift, right, in order for us to get a second entry maybe. That'll be cool, right, if we can get a second entry. Greeting from London, Orlando. I'm joining the lifetime service. Well, congratulations. Welcome to the team. Oh, yeah. Happy about that. Happy. So, pretty nice sweep, right, of the highs. Let's wait and see what happens, guys, because we might get an add-on here, and also I need to possibly manage this F1 strategy setup in the sense that we got some, again, true divergence in the short term here. That's pretty nice also. So we might, I mean, this was the original setup with this true divergence printed, but we might again just do this, do this. Let's wait and see what happens, guys. Let's wait and see what happens because I believe that we can get a very aggressive entry. Let's see. I don't know. Ooh, ah, pretty cool, man. So these are my two trades for today, and let's do some sound healing. Hold on, I'm gonna do some sound healing. This is what I'm sound healing with. This is handmade by monks. All right. I don't know the pound US dollar. Why don't we have a look then? Now, I don't know. I have no setups, man. This market is just gone to me. It's gone, gone, gone. And I'm not one to catch falling knives, you know. Yeah, I don't have a setup. So there's two ways that you can join my VIP group. Yeah, funny, right? There's two ways you can join my VIP group. The first one is just subscribing, man. And I am going to give you the link here on the chat. This is the first one. Boom. The second one is pretty simple. You can get lifetime access. Here we go. You can get lifetime access here just by following these steps. You know, just go here, click on any of these two brokers, open an account, deposit the minimum, which is 250 bucks, and trade that account and just send your details to my support team and they will add you, to yeah, to all my VIP groups, right? That's pretty cool. Uh-huh. And the reason that we can do that is because we have partnered with those brokers, and they pay us a referral fee for referring you, which pays for your lifetime subscription. So yeah, I mean, why would I hide that? I don't know, but I don't. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm not gonna wait here. I've been live for 30 minutes. I really don't have another setup, man. I think I'm gonna give you a few minutes to ask me questions. Maybe you wanna know about what I do, maybe not. But again, here I am. Uh, hey, it's my brother's birthday today. Shit. I'm gonna send him a birthday video. Felicidades, pendejo. Felicidades. All right. So there's a couple of ways you can get my signals, man. Um, and yeah, I see you don't have any questions. And if you don't have any questions, well, I'm gonna log out. I am going to log out. I am going to log out. Mm-mm-mm. I am going to log out. All right, guys. This is a pretty mild and boring, session. Nothing going on really right now. So I'm going to log out because also I have no questions from you. So if you want my signals, you know what to do. Thank you for joining me and cheers.